Did you know the fastest animal on Earth can reach astonishing speeds? The cheetah can run up to 75 miles per hour in short bursts. But the fastest creature in the air is the peregrine falcon. It can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour during its stoop. In the water, the black marlin reigns supreme. It can swim at speeds up to 82 miles per hour. The Brazilian free-tailed bat is the fastest flying mammal. It can reach speeds of 99 miles per hour. Lastly, the pronghorn antelope is the fastest land animal in North America. It can run at speeds of 55 miles per hour. Nature's speedsters are truly remarkable. Which one is your favorite?